Did you know surgical robots are shaping the future of healthcare, one precision move at a time? Welcome to Robots Helping Humans, Real-World Applications, where we explore the amazing ways technology is transforming our lives. Today, we're diving deep into the world of surgical robotics, a quiet revolution enhancing medical practices globally. Imagine a brilliant but anxious doctor, Dr. Ana Ramirez, who is known for her uncanny surgical skills but is often plagued by the tremor of human hands. Enter the Da Vinci surgical system, a robotic marvel designed to assist with delicate, minimally invasive procedures. With its help, Dr. Ramirez can perform surgeries with precision that seems almost superhuman. Instead of a shaky hand, there's a robotic arm capable of movements smaller than a millimeter, ensuring accuracy she never thought possible. In a cramped, bustling hospital in the heart of New York, Dr. Ramirez faces the challenge of performing high-risk cardiac surgery on a young boy, Samuel. The stakes are high, and anxiety fills the room. It's for situations like these that technology like the Da Vinci was developed. With robotic assistance, she navigates the maze of cardiovascular tissues with an unparalleled steadiness, delicateness, and focus. Picture a scene where the robotic arm takes on a life of its own. It moves in fluid, graceful arcs, guided by Dr. Ramirez from a console, translating her every gesture into orchestrated precision. The tension dissolves into awe as the technology works seamlessly alongside human skill to save Samuel's life on the operating table. These are not science fiction fantasies, but realities unfolding right now. Surgical robots are gaining traction in hospitals around the world. They allow for smaller incisions, reduce recovery times, and significantly minimize patient discomfort. In essence, they amplify what human healthcare practitioners can achieve, expanding the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. Beyond surgery, robotic tools continue to innovate within healthcare. Autonomous mobile robots are bringing medical supplies across vast hospital complexes, minimizing the workload of overburdened staff and ensuring that patients receive timely treatments. They are silent trailblazers traversing the neatly ironed corridors, efficiently fulfilling their task at hand. The simplicity of these advancements showcases the potential within our grasp. Efficiency, accuracy, and unparalleled execution of medical tasks that were once deemed too complex for consistent human performance. And therein lies our takeaway. Embracing technology does not mean replacing the human element. Instead, it's about creating a synergistic partnership where technology and humanity go hand in hand, each enhancing the capabilities of the other. We're in the midst of a revolution, one characterized by harmonious collaboration between humans and the technology we create. As we look towards the future, let's continue to marvel at what we can achieve when innovation meets imagination in the realm of healthcare. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about robots making a difference today.